Cleaning cloths. Who provides them? The homeowner or the house cleaning company? It's a great question. We'll talk about it today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by House Call Pro, which is a software that helps you streamline all the different admin tasks of your business in regards to your customer and booking your appointments. So check it out at housecallpro.com/Angela. All right, on to today's show. There's a homeowner that called in and she asked this question.
Hi, Angela. This is Arla. I'm just wondering who provides the cleaning cloths, like the polishing cloths and the microfiber towels. Is that something that the cleaning person should have of his or her own use specifically at one residence and then wash in between uses and have her own supply? Thank you so much.
Hi, Arla. I am so glad you asked this question because it's a great question. And my answer is, please let the house cleaning company provide their own cloths. Here's the reason why. As house cleaners, we buy cloths in bulk. And so we use suppliers, and I will leave links in the show notes to the suppliers that we use for our cleaning cloths and our sponges. And so we get them in discount, and so we're not paying full retail price for them. But because we buy them in discount, we have lots of them. And so we are able to break them up and sort them so that we can do a load of laundry just for one color of cloths. And I love this because we use different colored cloths in different parts of the home. And if you are the homeowner, we don't know what's happened with the cloth after we leave. It might have just got thrown into a load of laundry with all the other clothes. And then what happens is if you have a microfiber cloth, it might pick up lint from the different clothes that you have. And then when we come back and we use those cloths again, they're not as effective as they once were. And so what we like to do is we like to break them up by color and wash them by color. So let's say, for example, that you have yellow cloths that you use in the bathroom. Those are going to be bathroom cloths. And when you're done with the house, you put them inside a yellow bucket that goes with the yellow cloths. And so all of the cloths that are washed in that particular load are bathroom cloths. And they're not mixed with the cleaning cloths that are for the kitchen, for example. Those are a different color. And then there are different types of microfiber cloths, like the ones that we use for glass and mirrors. And so if that's the case, we don't even want to mix the microfiber cloths together because they're different in the pile of the microfiber, okay? So there are lots of different things we can do as far as managing our own cleaning cloths. And I request that we do that as house cleaners because it's part of our daily inventory. And so although it would be awesome if the customers all did their own and had them waiting for us and whatever, that puts an extra burden on the homeowners, and that's really not their responsibility. And quite frankly, most homeowners don't want to deal with that at all. So I would say let your house cleaner bring the cleaning supplies and bring the cloths that they use for your home. Now, the exception is this. Since COVID, we've requested that our house cleaners use our customers' vacuums for the sheer fact that it takes a lot of time and energy to clean and sanitize and empty a vacuum between every house when you're cleaning multiple houses in the course of a day. And if we're running something over your carpet, we don't want to cross-contaminate. So if we can leave your vacuum at your house, we'd be happy to empty it, and we show our cleaners how to do that. But we would be happy to empty your vacuum and leave it there for you. And then you are responsible, and it is your vacuum, and that way it just stays at your house. But as far as the cloths go, once the cloths are washed and sanitized, they're good to bring back into your home. But the house cleaners are trained on a program to go through and to separate all of those and to wash them in mesh bags. The bags that are mesh prevent other fabric from lifting lint onto your cloths, which ruins the cloths and makes them not so effective, all those things. So as far as who does it, I would recommend that your house cleaning company take care of that part of it just to make everyone's life easier. That way they always have the cloths they need. They know that they're clean, they know that they're sanitized, they know that they have enough of them for the job and that they didn't get misplaced or moved or used for other things. So that way everyone's playing on the same page. All right, I love this question. It was awesome. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. And if you guys are learning something from this, please give us a thumbs up. This lets us know the type of information to bring to you. All right, in the event that you would like to subscribe, every time you return to YouTube, that will show your some training that we're doing. It will show up on your homepage. And so that way you're not forgetting the updates and tips and stuff that we provide to you every day. All right, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.